how to enable developer options, and this will work for the Samsung A53 phone, either the A52, A72, or even the A73, Android 12, One UI 4.0. So to get there, you can use a quick panel access, go to settings, and while in the main settings, you'll want to go all the way down to where it says about phone. And of course, once you enter into this section here, you'll want to go to where it says software information. As you enter into the software information, you'll see where it says build number. You're going to have to tap that 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's going to tell you that you're now in developer options. And of course, in order for you to proceed, you'll have to put in your security lock screen code if you have that. And once you're done, you'll see developer mode has been turned on. Okay, so if you're wondering where to go now to find this feature here, you'll want to just back out of here and swipe up. When you're in the main settings area, just swipe up and make sure you're to the very bottom here, and you'll see developer options, and then you'll see it. So you'll turn it on from here if it's not, and that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.